Thank you for joining me here today at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your Sacral Chakra reading for the week. We're just doing a little mini 2-card spread today. Our first card out is from the Art Oracles deck, and we have Georgia O'Keeffe. Themes surrounding this card are nature can keep a secret, keep Freud guessing, you can't run away from yourself, but running away from others can be quite productive. Georgia O'Keeffe's contemporaries, influenced by Freud, viewed her flower paintings through a gynecological lens. O'Keeffe still rolls in her grave when you compare her orchid to a vagina, disregarding her aesthetic range. The first woman to have a solo retrospective at the New York's Museum of Modern Art, O'Keeffe remains one of 20th century's art's most significant artists, especially for her paintings of magnified desert vegetation. Her turbulent relationship with photographer Alfred Stieglitz resulted in archives of photos of the introverted O'Keeffe, who moved to New Mexico in the second half of her life with the presumed motto of painting, not people. And we are going to take one from the Well Chakra to help support this last message. And from the Myths and Mermaids deck, we have drawn Autumn Mermaid. Change is inevitable. We are all exposed to the cyclical pattern of nature. At times we rejoice, at times we buckle down to prepare for harsher weather to come. It can be easy to wallow in self-pity, pining for the warmth and light of summer. But colder, darker days will come, and it is important not only to brace yourself for them, but also to embrace them. Be prepared for a natural change that might seem negative on the surface. If anticipated appropriately, this change may be a pleasure when embraced. Each season of our lives brings joys, sorrows, new activities, and duties. Preparation is key. Look ahead to what nature is bringing you and busy yourself with plans. Wow, these 2 cards really, I think, join together well because they're talking about 2 parts of O'Keeffe's life and then the seasons of one's life. So maybe we are getting prepared here to change into a new reality pretty soon, and that we need to think ahead a little bit as to what we may need for this. Thanks so much, you guys. It's been a pleasure to read these messages for you. I do hope that you'll join me again. Always love to have you around. Sending you blessings and wishings for a beautiful, prosperous week.